welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an amazing lemon pudding cheesecake. I definitely knocked it out the park with this one and I can't wait for you guys to try it. So you want to start with your jello pudding mix. Unfortunately, I bought the one that was not instant, but if you can find the one that's instant, make sure you get that one. So I'm going to cook this up. Just follow the directions on the back of your package and we're good to go. Once that's in the fridge and chilling, then you want to start on the cream cheese filling. So we're going to add 2 packages of cream cheese. You want to beat that down just a little bit to get it nice and creamy. Add your sugar. You're going to add your eggs and everything down in here, as you guys are going to see in just a minute. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. You also want to zest a lime. It's just for a little extra punch of flavor. That lime zest was actually optional. It's definitely optional because it was more than enough citrus in here, but I still wanted it to balance it out. You want to mix that up, and then we're going to move on. Once your lemon pudding sets, you want to add about a cup of it to your cream cheese filling, and then you're going to mix that up with a spatula. You don't want to mix it too much, and this is why I use a spatula, just until it disappears, and then I stopped. And that's it for the filling, you guys. And I don't know what this pudding did to this cheesecake, but it was just so fluffy and like souffle consistency. So I loved it. I can't believe how amazing it turned out. And I hope one person, at least one, make this recipe. This is what the cheesecake looks like once it comes out. It's perfect. All around perfect. It's still jiggly as it should be. And if you can see on the sides, like I said, it turned out to look like kind of like souffle. Once it cools on the counter for about a couple hours, then I added the rest of the lemon pudding on top. Then you're gonna pop this whole thing in the refrigerator and let it set up for 6 hours to up to overnight. You really want this to set. You want your cheesecake to cool all the way, and then we're going to dress it up. Alright, so these are the cookies that I just made in a previous video. These are vanilla wafer cookies. They're just so simple, easy, and perfect. They were so delicious on top of this cheesecake. So make sure you guys check that video out and make those cookies so you could just have your cheesecake booming, just like mine. Okay, so next, this is what the cheesecake looks like out of the refrigerator. Mine's actually sat overnight. You want to then cover it with whipped cream. You can use, homemade or buy it out the store. Then you're going to put your cookies that we crushed up all over the top. You can add as much or as little as you want. I just love the consistency of my cookies though. They look really, really good on top of here. So I'm going to slice it up. My husband is going to try it and he's going to let you guys know what he thought about it. Ooh, let me tell y'all something. Seriously, I know I always say my food tastes good, and it does. But y'all, this cheesecake, listen.
All right, first tasting in the new place, bruh. Let me get in here.
Ooh, the house tour. We just moved, y'all. Don't even.
Oh, we just moved. All right, here, check that out. No, you're right. See, it is good. It's balanced.
It's not too tight, right? Yeah. Y'all, look how fluffy. It looks like souffle. But that's because of the pudding. But believe me, that cheesecake is cooked. Bye, y'all.